Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best makeup kit is probably one of the most exciting steps for any beginner, especially for Black women. A well-curated kit can be a game changer, enhancing your natural beauty and boosting your confidence. In this video, we'll explore the essential items you need to create a beginner-friendly makeup kit tailored for Black women, helping you navigate the world of foundations, concealers, and more. Number 5. SHANY Harmony Makeup Set, Ultimate Color Combination. Introducing the SHANY Harmony Makeup Set, a new edition designed for everyone. This all-in-one set has everything you need for any look. Inside, you'll find a vast array of colors, including highly pigmented eyeshadows and various lip glosses. It offers a wide range of shades for any occasion. With this set, you can highlight, define, and add a pop of color to any look. The impressive design allows you to store all your favorite colors in one place. This makeup set is perfect for daily use, parties, weddings, and professional settings. It caters to every skin tone, making it a versatile choice. The SHANY makeup set comes in premium packaging, making it an ideal gift. It's perfect for holidays, birthdays, or anyone starting their makeup journey. Designed by professional makeup artists in the USA, it features safe, skin-friendly ingredients. The product is a proud member of PETA and is not tested on animals. What we like. This set offers a vast array of colors, perfect for experimenting with different looks. Its all-in-one design makes it incredibly convenient. If you're a beginner looking for a comprehensive kit with a wide range of shades and tools, this is a great choice. It's also safe and cruelty-free, so you can feel good about using it. What people say. The colors were vibrant and very pigmented. The lip gloss very rich in color. The eyeshadow are perfect. Not like cheaply made, in fact I can't recall having to wipe any makeup off my cheek from applying the eyeshadow. Number 4. UCANBE 86 Colors Eyeshadow Palette and Brush Set. This palette has 86 shades, from warm earth tones to vibrant colors, and comes with 15 pink brushes. It's perfect for beginners and professionals alike. You'll find everything you need in one place. It includes 30 warm shades for everyday looks and 30 vivid shades for a pop of color. The rainbow of colors is sure to change your mood and make you feel great. With 2 highlighters, 2 contours, 2 blushers, and 20 shimmer shades, it will help you light up your face. It's designed to enhance your features and give you a radiant glow. You can create iconic effects and smoky natural looks with ease. It suits all skin tones and is great for various occasions, from daily wear to festivals and parties. The eyeshadow has a soft, smooth texture that applies evenly. You don't have to worry about water or sweat, as it keeps your makeup in place all day long. The stars patterned silver packing with magnetic closure makes it a nice gift. It's perfect for holidays like Halloween, Christmas, Valentine's Day, and birthdays. This palette has everything you need. It's not tested on animals and is suitable for all skin types. If you have any issues, please contact us for a solution. We are always here to help you. What we like. This palette boasts an impressive 86 colors, along with a set of 15 brushes, providing everything you need for a complete look. The water-resistant formula ensures that it stays put all day long. If you're looking for a versatile palette with a wide range of colors and high-quality brushes, this is the one for you. What people say. The UCANBE 86 Colors Eyeshadow Palette truly delivers on versatility and quality. Whether you're going for a soft, everyday look or a bold, full glam beat, this palette has everything you need, from matte neutrals to vibrant glitters, shimmers, blush, contour, and highlighter shades. The shadows are super pigmented, especially the metallics and pressed glitters. A little goes a long way, and the colors blend beautifully with minimal fallout. The 15-piece brush set is such a nice touch. They're soft, beginner-friendly, and get the job done, perfect for blending, detailing, or packing on shimmer. Number 3. All-in-one Makeup Gift Kit, 74 Colors Palette Set. This all-in-one makeup kit is your ultimate beauty companion. It has everything you need to create endless looks, from subtle daytime glam to bold evening statements. With 36 stunning eyeshadow shades, the possibilities are truly limitless. Experiment with different colors and textures to find the perfect look for any occasion. Indulge in a spectrum of lip glosses with 28 gorgeous shades. Whether you prefer a natural sheen or a vibrant pop of color, this kit has you covered. Enhance your natural radiance with 3 beautiful blusher shades. This will add a healthy glow to your complexion, giving you a fresh and youthful appearance. Achieve a flawless complexion with 4 concealers and 3 contour powders. This will help you to hide imperfections and sculpt your features to perfection. This kit includes 3 brushes and a mirror, making it easy to apply your makeup on the go. It's a complete set that will help you achieve a professional-looking finish. What we like. This kit offers an ultimate color combination with a comprehensive set of products. The set is easy to use, making it perfect for beginners. If you're looking for a complete makeup kit that's easy to use and offers a wide range of colors, this is a great option. What people say. The makeup is good quality, and the kit has an excellent variety. Virtually every color is one I can do something with. Tien to lo necesario, sombras, rubores, labials, broches, incluso espejo. Es ideal tanto para principiantes como para quienes ya dominan el maquillaje. Number 2. All-in-one Makeup Gift Set Kit. This all-in-one makeup kit is a dream come true. It includes everything you need to create endless looks, from vibrant eyeshadows to luscious lip glosses. Inside, you'll discover 94 eyeshadows, 12 lip glosses, and much more. The colors are rich and highly pigmented, ensuring a flawless finish every time. The expanding box design makes it easy to access all your makeup essentials. The durable exterior ensures that it will last for years to come. With concealers, powders, blushes, and contour shades, this kit helps you achieve a professional makeup look. It's perfect for both day and night. This makeup set is an ideal gift for any occasion. Surprise your loved ones or treat yourself to this amazing collection. Don't hesitate to give it a try. What we like. With 132 colors, this kit provides a vast selection for any makeup look. Its multiple levels and durable exterior make it a great gift. If you're looking for a comprehensive and giftable makeup set, this is a great choice. What people say. The kit includes a variety of shades suitable for deeper skin tones. The included brushes are of good quality and easy to use. The eyeshadows are highly pigmented and blend well. Number 1. MAEPEOR KIT 003 All-in-One Makeup Kit. Looking for the perfect Christmas gift? This all-in-one makeup kit is ideal for girls and women. It's packed with vibrant makeup, perfect for any full-face look, whether you're a beginner or a pro. This MAEPEOR kit is designed for the bold and beautiful. It includes everything you need, such as eyeshadow palettes, lipsticks, and makeup brushes. It makes it easy for anyone to enjoy a complete makeup experience. Each color is in its own container, suitable for various skin tones. It's easy to apply and creates a clear, 3-dimensional finish. The texture feels light and soft, and it's perfect for travel or long holidays. This kit is perfect for any occasion, from parties to weddings. It includes a variety of colors, from neutral to vibrant. Whether you want a dark and mysterious look or something bright and bold, this kit has you covered. The powder is delicate and soft with great color payoff. It's suitable for professional use or personal use. The waterproof feature and unique process make the eyeshadow last longer, ensuring your makeup stays perfect. What we like. This all-in-one kit is designed for both beginners and pros. The high-quality makeup is easy to apply and creates a clear, 3-dimensional finish. If you're looking for a long-lasting, high-quality makeup kit that's perfect for any occasion, consider this one. What people say. It looked small at first glance, but with everything inside I was in shock. How they compacted everything in there was surprisingly awesome makeup. You get exactly what's mentioned. The quality is amazing. The palette offers a wide range of eyeshadow colors, the blush and highlighter are pigmented, and the brushes are soft and easy to use. Can't believe how many items this have. Got it from my granddaughter and she is thrilled with all the makeup. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.